This highly controversial policy by Calabar High School to eventually stop students who average below 60% from proceeding to 11th grade to sit the CSEC exam, it wake up another ant's nest this evening. But my first question is, how many Calabar student athletes, especially champs athletes, will be affected by this new Calabar rule? Remembering that the academic standard for participating in ISA-run sports is 45% in 4 subjects. So this new rule could conceivably send home lots of athletes who would be eligible to run as champs. In fairness to Calabar though, this rule is spread across the general school population. Whether you run tracks, or you play football or basketball, or you play no sports at all, it is much fairer than the ISA eligibility rule that targets students who play sports. And you know my thing already, every legal student of a school who attends school and attends classes should automatically qualify to represent that school in any and everything. No further stipulations or qualifications required. That are just me. In terms of this new Calabar situation, student athletes who qualify by ISA standards to play sports should not lose their place in Calabar. Any student who represents Calabar in sports, or scout, or cadet, or altogether sing should keep their place in school. The students who should lose their place should be the students who do nothing at all at school, aka the bench warmers. So this Calabar rule should be renamed the Maverick Calabar Bench Warmers Rule. Yes, that's just where it comes down. Yes. It just where it comes down. It's just where it comes down.